This is the all-new 2026 Kia Telluride Adventure Edition, a rugged, capable, and seriously good-looking SUV that's built to take the family beyond the pavement. The first thing you'll notice, the Adventure Edition looks mean. Kia gave it a bold new front fascia with a more aggressive grille, matte black accents, and all-terrain ready body cladding. The blacked-out badging, roof rack, and skid plates don't just look tough. They're functional too. Add in those new 20-inch rugged wheels wrapped in all-terrain tires, and this Telluride looks ready to conquer deserts, forests, and snowy trails. Now, this isn't just a styling package. The Adventure Edition means business. Under the hood, it's powered by Kia's reliable 3.8-liter V6, pumping out around 291 horsepower and 262 pound-feet of torque. Paired with the advanced AWD system and multiple terrain modes like snow, mud, and sand, step inside and the 2026 Telluride Adventure Edition feels like a luxury lodge on wheels. You've got durable, easy-to-clean materials designed for families who actually go outdoors. Think water-resistant seat surfaces and weatherproof mats. The interior is finished in dark tones with orange stitching and adventure badging that give it a sporty, adventurous feel. Tech-wise, Kia didn't hold back. There's a massive 12.3-inch dual display, full digital cluster, and all the smart connectivity features you could want. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, wireless charging, and even a digital key. Safety is where Kia always shines. The 2026 Adventure Edition comes loaded with Kia DriveWise, a full suite of advanced safety systems, including highway driving assist, blind spot view monitor, lane follow assist, and 360-degree cameras. The 2026 Kia Telluride Adventure Edition isn't trying to be a Jeep Wrangler or a Land Rover Defender. It's something smarter. It's a family SUV that lets you live the adventure lifestyle without sacrificing comfort or practicality. Expected pricing for the 2026 Telluride Adventure Edition starts around $49,000 to $52,000, depending on options. And that's incredible value for what you're getting. Style, space, safety, and serious all-terrain capability. So what do you think? Is the 2026 Kia Telluride Adventure Edition the perfect balance of luxury and adventure? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you love cars that mix comfort with capability, make sure to hit that like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss what's next.